Hi students, once again I am with your favorite subjects math for class 9. Okay, and I am going to tell you how can you draw the numbers on the number line. Okay, and here I am going to tell you how you draw the irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, so here to represent irrational numbers on number line, and here the question is represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the number line. Here we are looking that all these three numbers root 2, root 3 and root 5, these are irrational numbers. Okay, and we have to draw these numbers on the number line. Okay, so for drawing the numbers on the number line, first here we take a ray. Okay, here we take a ray and name this point O. Okay, and this point X. OX is a ray. First we have to draw root 2, and for any irrational number we have to let a certain length for units. Okay, and this is easy to take for the students, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter or more, to show clearly on the notebook or the phone. Okay, here I take what? Let 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, and so from point O we take a length of 2 centimeter with the help of compass. Okay, and here name this point A. This is 1 unit. 1 unit, not 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter as shown on the board is equal to 1 unit. So 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. We have to draw first what? Root 2. And so for this on point A, we draw 90-degree angle with the help of the compass or the protractor. Okay, and so here with compass or the protractor, here 60 degree, 120 degree, here from 60 degree and here from 120 degree, this will be the angle of 90. Okay, here we can name this ray AY, and again from the point A take a compass of 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit with the help of compass from A, and name this point B. Okay, this is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit. Okay, now join O to B with the help of the scale and the pencil. Okay, this is OB. OB. Now look here. Here in triangle OAB. OAB, angle A is equal to 90 degree. So OAB is a right angle triangle, and OAAB are equal to 1 unit each. So here what? OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay, and OB is equal to root under OA is equal to 1 unit, so 1 square. AB is also equal to 1 unit, so 1 square. Here is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. Okay, so OB is equal to root 2. Okay, you can also write here by Pythagoras theorem. What? Pythagoras theorem. You can write this in short PT, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we are looking that OB is equal to root 2. Here we take a compass with the help of what? Root 2 length. Okay. And so on this compass, what, from point O, the length of OB, draw an arc. And we look that what? There is an intersection point of the arc on OX. Name this intersection point OP. And so OP has the length what? Root 2 unit. And so here what? Now draw the arc at the length of OB on OB that intersect on OX ray. Okay, name this point P. So what? OB is equal to OP is equal to root 2 unit. Now here root 2 is completed as the rational number on what? On the number line. Okay. And similarly we can draw root 3 and root 5. But how? Look for root 3. Here root 2. Okay. And once again from point B, draw a right angle with the help of the compass of the protractor. Here 60 degree, 120 degree, and bisection of 60 and 120, the angle will be 90 degree. And now draw a ray and name this ray. Here will be B, and so here write C. Okay. And then what? Here root 2. Here root 2. Now take 1 unit, and 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. So take the compass of 2 centimeter, and from 2 centimeter what? Draw an arc that intersect on BC. Sorry, write here Z. This will be better because X, Y and Z. And now write here point C. Okay. And then join O to C. OC. Now we are looking that this is 90 degree. And so in triangle, now in triangle BOC or OBC, angle OBC is equal to 90. So what? OC is hypotenuse because this is before right angle. So here OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Here OC is equal to, now for a square in the right side will be root under. OB is equal to root 2. So root 2 to the whole square. And this is 1 unit. And so here 1 square is equal to, therefore OC is equal to root under 2 plus 1 is equal to root 3. OC is equal to root 3. And now take the first write here root 3. OC equal to root 3. Now take the compass equal to OC. And with the help of that compass OC, draw another arc that intersect on OX. Write the intersection point Q. Understand? Right here OC, since OC is equal to root 3. Therefore, OQ is equal to OC equal to root 3. Okay. OQ equal to OC equal to root 3. Now, root 2 and root 3. Here, we can show this by drawing the line, straight line. OQ is equal to root 3. Okay. On the basis of root 2, root 3, we can draw the more lines, more irrational numbers on the number line. Okay. Now I am going to tell you how can we draw root 5. Okay. For root 5, first we draw a ray OC and take here also let 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. We have to draw root 5 on the number line. So first take 2 units. 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. 2 unit is equal to 2 2s are 4 centimeter. This is equal to 2 unit. 2 units is equal to, therefore 2 unit is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is 2 unit. Now we draw here what? We draw 90-degree angle with the help of the compass. Okay, this is 90 degree. Here what? Write A and here D. Okay, this is 90 degree. Here D. Now take 1 unit compass is equal to 2 centimeter. Here 2 units. And here with the help of compass what? 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Here what? 1 unit. 2 centimeter. 1 unit. And name this point P. Okay. Now join this point O to P with the help of compass and pencil. Okay. Now here, scale and pencil. Now here you are looking that OAP. Now in triangle AOP, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So what? OP will be hypotenuse. So OP squared is equal to OA squared plus AP squared. Or OP is equal to root under 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is equal to root 5. Here write therefore OP is equal to root 5. Okay, so OP will be root 5. Now with the help of the compass, what? Take the compass equal to OP and with the help of the compass draw an arc that intersect on OC and OC will be equal to OP. This will be an irrational number on the number line root 5. Okay. And so here what? Therefore OP is equal to this. Therefore write here Q. So OQ, name this intersection point Q. So OQ is equal to OP is equal to root 5. And so by this process we can draw root 2, root 3, root 5 and what more? Irrational numbers on the number line. Okay. Here all of you are looking root 3, root 5 and so on you can draw. But if you have difficult in any question of chapter number 1, okay, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 9525489300. Okay, and once again I am going to tell you that if you like the videos, you must like and subscribe my channel. Okay.